Hi guys, welcome to Lulu's Slime Factory. I'm Lulu and my channel will be all about slime and how to make it. Today, my very first video will be about how to make solar eclipse slime because I'm sure all of you are excited about the solar eclipse. Even if you can't make it, it will be fun. You will need 1 bottle of clear PVA glue, some food coloring, I chose purple, some confetti stars, a tablespoon measure, a mixing bowl, a mixing spoon or utensil, liquid starch, and I found this small confetti circle that I will be using for the moon. Now add in a few drops of food coloring and mix it in with your mixing utensil.
Lean the bowl towards me.
Yes, perfect. Next, you're going to want to add in your stars. I mixed mine together. Just take about a little handful and sprinkle them into your glue. Now, you can make the slime and then put in the sparkles, but I prefer to do it now because they stick in better. Now I'm going to be adding a little bit more. Oops. And finally, my little moons. Next, you're going to start by taking a little bit of your liquid starch, about a tablespoon at a time, and keep mixing it in. Until you have your desired consistency. Now, once you've added in your desired amount, you can go ahead and start kneading. For my slime, I added about 2 tablespoons of liquid starch. And now I'm going to start kneading my slime. Now, if it gets a bit stickier, then you can always add more. Ooh. Now mine does seem a bit too sticky, so I'm going to add a little bit more. This time you can just eyeball it, like put about a capful. And just keep mixing it with your hands. Then you can take your slime out and stretch it, and you should be good to go. Isn't this pretty? I guess it would qualify as galaxy slime to an extent. It doesn't have all the pretty colors, but you know, this is really pretty and I like it. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!